This is our ACER 1020AHD 3-axis automatic surface grinder. It's got a 10x20 Walker Surmax fine pole electromagnetic chuck, a Walker control. It's set up in incremental right now. You'll see it go back and forth, and if you look to the lower right, you'll see the handle ratchet over for the incremental down feed. I'll let it go for a minute, and then I'll show a couple other things. When it comes to the front now, it'll ratchet down. There it goes. If you could see to the right, that would incrementally down feed. We'll let it go one more time. This lever controls the amount that it feeds in. You can slow it down. You can see it's a less of a step over. Change the directions. Feeding out. This will control the speed of the table. The Walker chuck has been tested and the control, everything is working as it should. At the front, you'll see it once again ratchet down. And it just moved. This is our ACER 10x20 fully automatic surface grinder. There's also a coolant tank and duct suction unit, which you'll see a picture in the quote. It's just not by the machine for the video. Thank you for watching.